See,
Quiz 1, question number 10. Quiz 1, question number 10. In this question number 10, we have to find VAB. You have to find VAB. So for finding VAB, so here the current 1 amp current is flowing in the circuit. It means that this 1 amps current flows. This is the direction of current flow. The same 1 amp current flows through this 2 ohms. The same 1 ampere current flows through this 2 ohms. If 1 amp current flows through the 2 ohms, then what will be the voltage drop across the 2 ohms? Voltage drop across the 2 ohms is equal to current flowing through the 2 ohms into resistance, that is 2. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 volts. So the voltage drop across these 2 ohms is 2 volts. So we have to, now let us apply only to this section. To this section, apply KVL. Apply KVL. Apply KVL. So by applying the KVL, this is your current I. It is towards negative polarity of your VAB. So right here minus VAB, and it is seeing positive polarity of your 2 volts. Right here plus 2 volts, and again it is towards negative polarity of your 5 volts. Right here minus 5 volts, which is equal to 0. So minus VAB minus 3 equal to 0, minus VAB equal to 3. From this, VAB equal to minus 3 volts. So what is the value? That is your 3 volts. And from the observation also you can find. So this is a, by the procedure, this is minus 3 volts we got from the observation also. Like 1 amp current flows through this 2 ohms. So this is a point A, this is a point B. Between these 2 points you have to find the voltage. That is VAB is nothing but we can write VA minus VB. Potential at point A and potential at point B. This between A and these 2 volts, is there any value, is there any resistance? No. So the same potential, the same 2 volts appears at point A. At point A, the potential becomes 2 volts. Similarly, this 5 volts, the positive terminal is connected to point B. Between B and 5 volts, there is no any element. So there is no voltage drop. Same positive, that is of 5 volts, appears at B. So at point A, what is the potential we are having? 2 volts. So let us substitute here. So VA becomes 2 and VB becomes 5. So VAB is equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. This is like from the observation we can find. So this is a way to find VAB in a circuit.